What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I have another shelf organizer. Basically, we're done the bathroom part of my renovation in the basement. So I have two closets before I go to the bathroom. So the bathroom is behind the storage. You can't really see behind this thing, so you can't really see it. So we have two closets before you go to the bathroom. Instead of doing the wired shelving, I don't feel like doing the wired shelving just for many reasons. I'd rather have this type of shelving because it's more durable. It's just easier to put up. I got this from Lowe's. This is a CRAFTSMAN 24-inch by 40-inch, and the height is 72 inches. But the reason why I got this is because my closet is, I think, 46 inches. So this is the only 40-inch that I can find in any store. Going Home Depot, I went in Sam's Club, and in Lowe's, this is the only 40-inch shelving that I can find. So I need to get one more because I have two closets. But for the sake of doing the review, I just have one for right now. Later on today, I'm going to be getting the other one. And then now let's have some fun. If you haven't checked this out, I'll drop a link. This is my favorite utility knife so far. Okay, you guys, so we have the accessories that come with it. And there goes that one. Oh, and of course, that is the instructions. Fits in here very nice. That right there. Alright, you have more legs. Okay, you guys, here are the instructions. Oh, upside down. So, here are the instructions. CRAFTSMAN. There goes all the parts that goes to it. The legs. They show you how you can screw this on the wall to have it more stable, but we don't need to do that, because all we're going to have in here is probably like blankets and stuff like that. Okay. So as usual, when I install it, I will, of course, post up the part that I'm doing. So other than that, let's get into the installation. And of course, the first thing we're going to put on is the feet. So in these instructions is basically you have to look at the picture and figure it out. So as you can see on the feet, it's a little square, and then you have a thread, and then on the bottom part, it looks like a little nut that goes onto the thread. So that way it looks like we can actually adjust our height if your floor is uneven. So that is awesome. This is probably the only shelving that does this. So pretty good. Let's get to it. Oh, it pops right on out. Pops out. Like I said, the other one looked like a nut, so this looks like it right here. See that thread on the inside? So I don't know if it goes like that yet. All right, that's good. So this is flush, and it turns, and you can make your adjustment if your shelving is too low. So there's a little bit of lip on it if you go all the way down, but if you come up just a hair, it's flush. So we're gonna leave it just like that for right now. All right, so let's go ahead and undo 4 of these. Okay, you guys, so we have all 4 of these hooked up. Now we're ready to put it on. So you have your square part, and then you put it right on the inside of that. And that's it. Get your level. To make this more level, you can make your adjustments on your feet. That is perfectly level and it's flush. Okay, you guys, so the next step is putting the legs on. We are at the top, and here's the final part. You put the end caps on. And it don't go in. Let me try it this way. It don't know what to tell y'all. Okay, you guys, so I made a mistake. I hooked this thing up backwards. The feet part is supposed to go downwards. So this part is supposed to go down. I put this part up. Oh, screw my life. I gotta take it back apart. Or not, I might just leave it alone because I don't feel like taking this back apart. So that is my bad on that one. I installed that wrong. So there, right there, that little square part, the little recess part is supposed to go down, and I have it up. So I have 2 choices: leave it like this or take it back apart. I'll let y'all know what I did on my final review.
15 minutes later.
Okay, you guys, so my OCD kicked in. I took the whole thing back apart and I put it back together. I was frustrated, but now I'm happy that I have it done right, and we are going to put the final step in. All right, so we have the end caps, and as you can see, I reverse the legs and you can't see nothing here. So now it's hollow and we can put our decorative caps on. Now I feel complete. Okay, you guys, so my final thoughts on the shelving. The shelving is amazing. I was frustrated that I had to take this back down and put it back together, but I suggest if you have closets, like not like in the bedroom. If you want to do this in the bedroom, it's up to you, but this is not in the bedroom, it's in the basement. 2 closets, it's more like storage utility closets, but like I said, you could put towels and whatever else. But these shelves are amazing. It's wide, it's good. So like, comment, and subscribe. More products on the way.